Welcome, everyone. We are here today with Shell Shakti. Now, Shell Shakti, we're going to give you a demonstration. See, that's all we can do is we can demonstrate, show you the light, but show you the truth of something that just is. Before the word, the part of the truth in which you reach, Shell Shakti. So most of you are coming with this issue called money. But what happens if you learn Shell Shakti and it didn't matter whether you worshipped a Coca-Cola can, a nickel, someone named blue, God, Jesus, this, that, the other thing, all of it would be done by divine grace. So most of you are really suffering the E in the money. Everybody say E. And then at the end you say why. EY. EY my money. And here's OAT to speak to you why we use Shell Shakti and bring back the ancient words of frequency and sound. And she's going to explain to you why we used E and why and what does it mean.
The human brain makes associations that allow you to feel different things. You can agree on that. So life is a program. And when we look at how money, currency, dinero, someone would say, and all these different languages of exchange and bartering, it all started with the shell before it started with other forms that are produced. So we go into Shell Shakti to allow anyone to make a peace with anything that they deem in a substance or a foundational type inside of themselves. So it doesn't necessarily have to do with money. It's the feeling of acceptance within, pure energy that flows within you, whether you say you're a male or you say you are a female or you say you are a different gender altogether. It is the energy that is the truth. And the Shell Shakti allows you to open up to that creativity inside of you that brings whatever field you're in, whatever your view is on finances, on money. When you have the creative flow, the creative solutions, you can apply this to anything in life. That is one essence of the Shakti. But inside of the Shell Shakti, we have the money, EY, my money. EY, my money. EY, my money. EY, my money. And what does that really mean? Someone can go into the English word, the meaning of the ego, whatever that is, but ultimately that is something in society to make peace with, and you can't ignore it. What happens inside of life, how you feel fulfilled, what are you going to do to give to humanity, but also make sure that you're not continuous in a program based upon a mother and a father and a sister and a brother and an uncle and an aunt, and then before, what did they do in their trade? So you can create your own thing. Shell Shakti is to liberate you. So we're going to go into an extended why my money, because when people listen to this, it can trigger, it can allow you to go into different pathways inside of your brain that maybe don't have a positive view towards a finance or a money or a will in which you want to do. So when you listen to the why my money, Shell Shakti, is being delivered to connect you to an ancestry, but then also clear it up into the point, because you are your own being that can use this so-called Shakti for whatever you want. It can be applied. So listen to this extended version and allow yourself to go deeper into what it means to feel true wealth in your life. And that's living a rich life, but maybe it's not in the monetary value. It's feelings of happiness, joy, and peace that it's allowed for every single person to feel. It doesn't matter what you say you did. It's how you transform and you help the next in line, and also understand that every single person is equal in some way.
And guys, this is our first introduction, and this is free. When you do contact us, you do not have to see us in person. That is an illusion that most people do create. If it is very serious and the master checks you off, maybe you should come and see me, then that does not mean it's a health issue. Okay? That just means that there's something in your karma, without you understanding, that you're not fulfilling the right way. Now, the master gives the light in Shell Shakti. No one in the world is doing this. If they claim it, it's already been claimed. They cannot produce it the way we received it. So when you come to us, this is the first one free. Then we will have downloads where you can buy each word or series of words, and you will be able to have them at an affordable price.
And all we do is ask you to listen to it inside of your entire being, because the Shakti is already begun. It's already being delivered. So we understand that you can go and listen to this version. You can also speak it to yourself, and then you'll be able to view the different series and collections that we have available online. We also have higher consciousness music that goes to awaken not just the brain, the spine, but any part of your body that needs to vibrate at a higher level, so that you can do whatever you need to do, whether it is heal or find inspiration or is connect to a different level. Really, when you use this, it is anything you want to do in life, as long as you believe. It also has to do with the diet, the toxins, the detoxification, and we're going to go into that as well.
We wish you all many blessings, and understand that the world is very large. So if you are a healer, a person in need, someone not fulfilled, someone walking around like a zombie, someone making a lot of money, someone, what is beyond that? That's what we're here to teach you. Wealth does not mean the material of what you think it is. Allow us to teach you wealth, health, abundance, but fulfillment.